Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we make English simple, natural and fun. Today I am going to share one of the most powerful technique to improve your English speaking skill. It's called shadowing. So, what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. When you hear a native English speaker in a movie, podcast, or video, you try to speak exactly like them. At the same time, you shadow their voice just like a real shadow follow a person. Let's understand with an example. Suppose the sentence is I am going to the market. You repeat it instantly I am going to the market. There are three key things of focus on pronunciation, how words sound, intonation, the rise and fall of your voice, rhythm, the natural speed and flow of speech. When you shadow daily, all this aspect start improving automatically and your English begins to sound more natural and fluent. Now the question is how can you practice shadowing every day? Here's a simple daily routine. Step 1, choose one short English audio or video clip 30 seconds to 1 minute. Step 2, listen to it carefully 2-3 times without speaking. Step 3, play it again and speak along with it. Copy every word, sound and tone. Step 4, record your voice and compare it with the original. You will be amazed to see how quickly your speaking skills improve, even within 1 week. When you do daily shadowing, you start thinking in English. You know, longer translate word from your native language. Words just come naturally. That's what real life fluency means. You will be able to speak confidently in your office, during interviews, or while traveling abroad. So, from today, make a promise to yourself I will do 10 minutes of shadowing every day. Start with your favorite English speaker, actor, or YouTuber. Listen, copy, and repeat. And if you like me to make daily shadowing practice video for you, drop a comment below saying yes shadowing. I will create on just for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical English learning tips. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing and keep speaking English. Thank you.